Now, cross-examination in the R25-million Nulane Investments criminal trial has been disastrous for the state capture case underway in the Free State. Fundamental weaknesses on how the Hawks worked with the police have been exposed. Newzroom Afrika's Erin takes a look at today's proceedings in the High Court.
Cross-examination in a criminal trial can be gnarly by definition, and that certainly was the case on day 19 of the R25-million Nulane Investments trial, the state capture matter currently underway in the Free State High Court. On Monday, day 19 of proceedings in this matter, this case entered into its 5th week, and it looks like it could well run into a 6th at the rate things are going. Colonel Mangaung of the Hawks is the second representative from that institution to testify in these proceedings, and he's easily the most significant from the Hawks to date. Mtolo was the lead investigator on the state capture matter, and he had in fact previously worked on the Estina case, investigating those facts for the state. But Mtolo's conduct and the conduct of his team members, his teammates, also working with engagements with the Investigative Directorate of the NPA, has all come under extreme scrutiny. Proceedings on Monday were conflicted, tense. There were moments where Acting Judge Nompumelelo Gusha herself had to intervene in order to try and get a straight answer out of Mtolo. And where are the snags here? Well, Mtolo's faced fierce cross-examination, including from the likes of Advocate Ishmael Semenya Senior Counsel. He's the lawyer for the second accused, Dr. Limakatso Morosi, a former department head in the Free State, over Mtolo's engagements with a witness who's already testified. That's Shadrach Qazula. He was an acting director of supply chain management in the Free State government's relevant departments, and he testified about his uneasy feeling about a deviation which was obtained in order for the Free State government to work with Nulane Investments. Remember, the case here is that Free State government officials, formerly in those roles now, and alleged business associates of the Guptas colluded on a fraud and then were involved in what was ultimately, on the state's version, a money laundering scam or sort of ploy, which ultimately led to funds finding their way into the Gupta money web. We've already had that evidence on the alleged money laundering and movements within the Gupta's business group at Absa Bank, but this week starting around the issues of the Hawks engagements with potential witnesses. And that's where the issue of Qazula comes so sharply to the fore, because he came as a Section 204 witness. A Section 204 witness is a witness who's obtained immunity from potential criminal charges when they could have otherwise been an accused in this case. But on the defense's cross-examination, it seems that the gist is there shouldn't have been a Section 204 to begin with because there was no crime committed here. And how exactly is it that it came about that Qazula was presented with the option of being a Section 204? We heard from Advocate Kenny Oldwage for Dinesh Patel, one of the accused, accusing Mtolo of bullying and scaring the daylights out of Qazula in order to effectively turn him to testify for the state. Oldwage wasn't done by the time court adjourned on Monday evening, or afternoon rather, and proceedings are set to resume again on Tuesday morning at 9:30. For Newzroom Afrika, Channel 405, I'm Erin in the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein, Mangaung.